Hello everybody, so today I will talk about statistics. The topic today is hypothesis. When the COVID-19 pandemic started and there was a lockdown order, about 54% of workers reported to actually prefer working from home. 6 months later, in a survey of 150 workers, 77 said they prefer working from home. So now I will show the technique how to do about hypothesis. The first thing the question they ask, can we conclude that the proportion of workers who actually prefer working from home has changed? So we can create H1 and H0, H1 and H0 in here. So we have H0, that means we have P equals to 54%. That's about new hypothesis. The next one, that's about H1, alternative hypothesis. So they said that H trend is mean this one will don't similar with 54 anymore. So we have P not equals to 54%. So we just finished about alternative and new hypothesis. The next one we need to check about two equation. That's about N B 0, or we can say NB naught. That's about original number. That's about this number 54%, and N multiplied with 1 minus B naught, and they should be greater than number 5, and this one greater than number 5. Next, we have N is about 150 workers multiplied with 54%, and that should be equal to 81. Similar for this one. As you can see that 81 is greater than number 5, 69 is greater than number 5. So we can say that the sample is suitable for testing. And now we will apply this formula. That's about Z equals to B hat minus B0. In here we have the square root, and we have B0 multiplied with 1 minus B0 over N. About this B hat in here, we can calculate this number. That's about 77 over 150 workers. And this one you will go about 51.33%. And now we will apply the number in here. This number in here we just calculate B naught, that's about 54%. We put 54% in here. and n is about the total, that's about 150. We calculate this number and we got about negative 0.656. The next one, they ask about 5% significant test, but in here we find they change or not. So in this situation, we need to use about 2-tail test. So in here we have 5%, so we need to divide by 2. And we will go about 2.5%. We need to find the b value of the z is smaller than we find the z is smaller than 2.5% in here, and we calculate that is about negative 1.96. And in this one, this number in here is greater than negative 1.96. This is in the bottom, and as you can see that this number in here is greater than negative 1.96, so we can conclude that we cannot reject H0. So it means that we can say the proportion of workers who actually prefer working from home didn't change. So we still keep about H0 is about 54%. It means we just say didn't change in here. So that's the final answer of the question. That's the end. Thank you for watching.